Hey guys, gals, and other craft pals. I'm Linz. Welcome to Witch Crafts. Today we will be doing another tutorial video, and this tutorial is going to be Witchy Work in Progress number 2. And this work in progress is a handmade tarot deck case. Alright, let's talk materials. What are we going to need? Well, first we're going to go ahead and use any yarn that you choose in any color and use whatever hook is recommended for that yarn. You will also need a button or a clasp of some kind, a measuring tape, a yarn needle, and the deck that you would like to see this case hold. Since you can use any color that you want, because you can use any yarn that you want, maybe now is a good time to let you know I have a quick guide to color magic on my website. So if you want, it'll be linked in the box below. Check it out. Alright, let's manifest some magic. Since this pattern is one that I created, you can download it for free in PDF format, which some people find easier to work with. You can do that on my website, again, linked in the description below. So for step 1, we are going to measure our deck and write down on the provided PDF exactly what your length and width are. Step 2, you will now measure your chain amounts for both length and width, and there are spaces for that as well on the provided PDF. Next, let's start working stitches. You want to do 2 full lines of single crochets with a chain before turning. Once you have finished your second row of single crochet, you need to chain 2, turn, and now we will start working our double crochets. In order to understand how many rows you will need for this project, you need to look at how many chains each width would measure, and you need to have 3 different sections of your width. So mine measured out to 10, and I just multiplied it by 3, which gave me 30. So I did 30 rows for my double crochet stitches. Remember, at the end of each of your double crochet rows, you need to chain 2 and then turn. After working all of your double crochet rows, you will want to chain 1 and turn, and work 2 more rows of single crochet with a chain 1 and turn at the end of the rows. You have the option to now fasten off and finish, or you can do what I do, and instead of finishing off, sort of single crochet around the very long edges of your project. It will give you a very nice seam, and it is much easier to sew into. Once you've decided to fasten off, you can then fold your case in 3. It will give you a very good idea of where you need to sew your sides once you're looking at it when it's folded. After that, you can sew up the sides, and then you can sew your button or your clasp on. If you are having trouble figuring out what I mean by certain things, or you just want to see a really neat time-lapse clip, head on over to the website and check out the work in progress time-lapse clip that I will upload for this project.